Welcome back to Grape's Garage. I'm going to try something today that a buddy of mine told me about. A friend back in my hometown. It's not with my Corvette. Well, it's one of them, but it's for this one. And he suggested trying a little bigger battery. Not going to hurt anything, hopefully. So I got a couple of 18-volt batteries off of Amazon, fairly cheap, and a connector. I got some spade connectors on there, so it's an easy change out, and I can put the 12-volt back in there if need be. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Here's a reference for the speed. This is like slow. There's high. So now let's hook up the 18 volts and see what happens. I don't have a charger for these yet, but there's 3 lights on it, so hopefully it'll be enough. I'm just going to set that there and cross your fingers we don't burn anything up. All right, let's try slow. Wow, there's high. That's quite a difference. Wow. I'm gonna have to get in and try it, I think. This can be fun. Hopefully it'll work. But this is for reference only. 12 volt coming first. So wish me luck. Okay, we got the 18 volt in there now. I'm really hoping I don't burn anything up. Alright, here we go. Alright, well that worked. Daxton, you're going to have so much fun with this thing. Can't wait for you to try it, buddy. So one thing I'm not too sure about is how long that battery will last on a charge. I haven't done any research on that yet. But it should be fun for a little while anyway, huh? So I got a charger coming for it tomorrow so we can get the batteries fully charged and get them ready for our grandkids. So it's all for you, Dax. All about speed, buddy.